Meg goes pale as Samantha lawyer gave actual proof to court after her false accusation and lies on air. A trial date has been set for Samantha Markle's defamation lawsuit in the US against her estranged half-sister Meghan Markle. Samantha, 57, is suing the Duchess of Sussex, 41, over claims made in her Oprah Winfrey interview and the unauthorized biography Finding Freedom. A Florida judge has set an October 2023 trial date for the defamation case if the two sides fail to settle or resolve it in mediation. Samantha, who is seeking $75,000, £57,000, in damages, contests Meghan saying in her TV interview that she grew up as an only child. She also claims Meghan told false and malicious lies about her fairy tale rags to royalty upbringing at her paternal family's expense. And Samantha claims the Finding Freedom book subjected her to humiliation, shame and hatred on a worldwide scale. It comes after Meghan's legal team moved to dismiss the case in papers submitted to the Florida court in July. They argued that the Duchess's description of her upbringing to Oprah was obviously not meant to be a statement of objective fact but subjective feeling. They said Meghan's account of how she grew up as an only child cannot be false because it is a textbook example of a subjective statement about how a person feels about her childhood. The Duchess's legal team also argued she could not be sued over Finding Freedom because she did not write it. However, Judge Charlene Edwards Honeywell is allowing the case to proceed. If the two sides fail to settle or resolve in mediation, a trial date has been set for October 2, 2023, which would last no longer than 5 days. In a previous statement, Meghan's lawyer Michael Kump hit out at Samantha's legal action. He said, "This baseless and absurd lawsuit is just a continuation of a pattern of disturbing behavior. We will give it the minimum attention necessary, which is all it deserves." Samantha has been a vocal critic of her half-sister in a series of media appearances as the pair have clashed over their childhoods. She also released her memoir The Diary of Princess Pushy's Sister last year. Meghan is estranged from much of her paternal family including her father Thomas Markle and her half-brother Thomas Markle Jr. Her mother Doria Ragland was the only member of her family to attend her and Prince Harry's royal wedding in 2018. In other news, Meghan Markle reportedly had Prince Harry researched by her manager before their relationship became public. These revelations come straight from Meghan Markle's former manager Gina Nelthorpe-Cowan, in an interview with Tom Bauer. The manager admitted, as Meghan carried on whispering with excitement, Nelthorpe-Cowan interrupted, "Do you know what you're doing? Do you know anything about him?" Meghan replied, "I've googled Harry. I've gone deeply into his life." He also added, Nelthorpe-Cowan was left in no doubt that Meghan had carefully researched every aspect of Harry and his past life. She understood precisely the man she was meeting, needy, volatile, unhappy and seeking a soulmate.